Hello everyone, welcome back to TPA. Today we share the complete steel structure production process. We start with strict raw material selection and precise CNC cutting. Premium welding work greatly boosts overall load-bearing performance. It fully satisfies high load demands for various engineering scenes. Professional shot blasting removes rust and surface impurities completely. We provide spray painting and hot dip galvanizing anti-corrosion solutions. These treatments ensure long service life in all kinds of environments. We excel at custom irregular and special-shaped steel structures. We are also skilled in making curved and artistic style buildings. All supporting parts are manufactured in unified standard sizes. Professional technicians carry out multi-level strict quality inspection. Full factory pre-assembly is completed before shipment. It cuts on-site construction time and lowers overall project costs. All products conform to international manufacturing standards. We polish every procedure to deliver sturdy and aesthetic steel buildings. Thanks for watching. Follow us.